In 1985, a serial killer terrorized Los Angeles for months before one tiny mistake brought him down. Richard Ramirez became known as the Night Stalker. He broke into homes at random, murdered 13 people with guns, knives, and hammers, left satanic symbols at crime scenes. Police had no pattern to follow, no way to predict his next move. The breakthrough came when survivor Inez Erickson gave detailed descriptions. Police created composite sketches that finally looked like their killer, but it was a fingerprint that sealed his fate. Ramirez left one print on a stolen car window. For months it sat in evidence. Then computer databases finally matched it to his juvenile record. On August 30th, police released his mugshot to the media. The next day, Ramirez walked into a convenience store. Shoppers recognized him instantly. They chased him through the street, screaming, "It's the Night Stalker!" A crowd of angry residents beat him until police arrived. One of California's most terrifying cases ended not with a dramatic arrest, but with neighborhood justice in broad daylight.